Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have another wig review for you guys. I am rocking a 360 wig from MSLYNN hair. So if you are curious to hear my thoughts and all that jazz, then just stay tuned. All right, you guys, so let me give you the specifics of this hair. So I'm wearing a 360 wig. It's a lace front 360 wig by MSLYNN hair in Peruvian body wave. And the density is 150% and the length is 24 inches. Also comes with 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back with an adjustable strap. And let me see what else it says. Oh, and the cap size is average. So first off, you guys, I really like this hair. I've been wearing like, I don't know, I feel like I've been wearing like more curlier styles, not quite like this lately, and it's been a minute also since I've had a 360 wig. Everything about this wig, the hair is like, is up my alley, is perfect for me, and I don't know if I have any complaints. So I will be honest with you guys and tell you that I can't really speak on if it truly sheds or tangles because I've only been wearing it just for a few hours. And so far I haven't had any tangling, but I have had some shedding. Nothing crazy. Pretty much the hair that I receive, if you get like crazy shedding with hair, I think these days, then there is a huge problem with the company, because as many hair companies as it is today, and as much competition as it is, every company should be on their game, on point, and should not be sending you tangled, matted, crappy hair. And so that's a whole nother story, but I'm not getting any of that with this hair. So yeah, the color, it seems to be like black. Typically I'll get a natural kind of color with a wig, like virgin hair with a wig, but this is really dark hair, and I wonder if maybe that's because it's Peruvian. I'm not 100% sure. I'm still learning about the different types of hair and all that stuff that, you know, kind of goes along with it, but I like it. I don't have a problem with it. I love dark hair on me. I think it complements me very well, so that's great. The wig itself, the size cap, is perfect for my large head, so I am very happy about that. Didn't have to do much to it. I decided to go with the middle part as well because I just wanted to keep it very easy and very simple. Also, the ends of the hair are nice. You're not getting any raggedy ends or anything like that, so that is great. The hair is very voluminous. It's very lightweight, and it's also like, I don't know how to explain it. It's very lightweight, airy kind of feel. I don't want to knock out the waves because I think they're pretty, and it's not like a deep wave. It's really like, I know they call this a body wave, but I don't know if I would even call it a body wave, because I think body like is just a little bit more of a curl or a wave to it, I guess I should say. But this is really nice to me. So let me sit up a little bit so that you guys can kind of see the hair, and kind of really get a feel for it and how it moves and the sheen and all that stuff. It's just pretty. This is a nice wig. So yeah guys, that's really it for this review. I love this wig. I love the hair. I think MSLYNN did a really great job. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you have not already. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And I think that is all. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.